Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unfriend someone on PUBG. To unfriend someone in PUBG, first of all, open up the PUBG Mobile and log into your account. Once you are in this lobby page, make sure that you swipe left on the screen and reach to this background over here, and once you do that, look for the friends icon underneath your profile picture at the top left. Simply tap on the friend list and this will open up the friends menu. From here, simply tap on the three dots at the top right and click on delete. Now from the list, select a friend you want to delete from your friend list and click on delete. Click on OK in the pop-up and you have successfully deleted friends or unfriended someone in PUBG. The player will be removed from your friends list, and that's it. You've successfully unfriended someone in PUBG Mobile. If you liked the video, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on PUBG Mobile. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.